turn up the scheme now, baby, make nice if you want, but don't daddy. It's a ball for your mama, for your papa, me no matter.
Yo, what I want? Seeing how you guys loved the last video about Jamaican mothers versus white mothers, we decided that, yo, we should bring it back. Saying you want McDonald's or any type of fast food, the white mother.
Yo, Mom! Hey, Hercule! I want some McDonald's, Mom. I'm hungry.
I cooked some pasta. There's some pasta in the fridge for you.
I ain't want that, man.
What's wrong?
I want some McDonald's, man.
What's
you
wrong?
hurt my feelings, Mom. I want McDonald's.
Okay, Hercule, I'm gonna give you some money for you to get McDonald's.
You sure?
Yeah, Mom. Yeah.
I need that money now, though.
The Jamaican mother.
Mommy,
Where you want?
Mommy, I'm tired right now. I'm tired of serious speaking. I eat McDonald's. I'm making out McDonald's.
Why? You know how long me have put in my fridge?
Mommy,
Why?
listen to me, Mommy. I'm tired right now.
Don't raise the voice for me.
Mommy, the picnic, Mommy, the McDonald's, them up every day.
Other boy, man. You know how long me have put in my fridge? 3 weeks me have put in my fridge. But have the food.
Your parents ever want to talk to you and come and knock on the door and say, hey, we need to talk? The white mother.
Charlie, me and your father need to talk to you right now. Mom, leave me alone. Go to hell. Okay, we'll talk at dinner time.
The Jamaican mother. Telling your parents you want to join the army. The white mother.
Hey, Mom, you got a minute?
Yes, Charlie, have
I need to talk to you about something serious. I spoke to a recruiter today.
Okay.
And I think I made up my mind. I want to serve the country.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of
I
you.
want to join the army.
Oh my God, I'm so
I'm
proud of you.
gonna make this family proud.
Now, there's nothing wrong with this. It's just that Caribbean parents, you know, they have this bad image of their children in the military. For some reason, they think that as soon as they join the military, they're going to die.
Mommy, what you want? Let me talk to you a little bit. May I watch me so proper? What you want? Mommy, may I have to talk to you? It's important. Today, may I talk to the recruiter? I want to serve the country, so I have to sign up for the army. Lord Jesus Christ! Never never want me to know! No! Never never want me to Jesus Christ!
Some both Caribbean parents and washing the dishes, you know, like there can be one plate and one fork in the sink, you know. The white mother.
Hey Timmy, can you wash the dishes for me?
Mom, I'm busy.
It's okay. I'll do them. It's alright. Don't even worry about it.
The Jamaican mother.
Hi! Why every time you call there's a million I want dishes? Come here. You boy, come here. Me not really say, you know. Yo, hey boy, you have to wash the dishes. Go wash the dishes. Go wash the dishes. I'll be a dirty plate thing now. Hey boy, if I hold you today, see.
I've done a dish now. I'm telling you, I shall lose our blood or anything.
What you say? Me never see.
Coming home with a bad report card. The white mother.
Hey, Mom!
Hey Timmy!
I just got my report card!
Oh, let's see what you did this semester. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Mom, I didn't do so well this semester.
Oh, D's and F's?
Lots of F's.
Oh, you got straight
Mom,
F's here.
I promise I'm gonna do a lot better next semester.
Okay, I know you will.
All right.
You go ahead, Timmy.
Okay.
The Jamaican mother.
Mommy, Evelyn.
What you buy me for now? What?
Me get my report card.
Oh boy, let me see it. Come here, you know you have a father. Give me the report card. Sit down, man.
Alright.
Mommy, tell me say now, do so.
Me did.
I don't think this.
Me do better than.
I'm here if I need to see.
Mommy, me do better than last year.
Oh, well,
me do better than last year.
People are dead. That's what I've said. The plan must be led.
Fatality.
Make sure you thumbs up the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe, share the video, make tell your mother about it, tell your other mother about it, tell your white mother about it, tell your Jamaican mother about it, tell all your mothers about it. Oh yeah, the shirts. Shirts are coming soon, you know. We have tank top, we have shirts, we have slippers, we have phone cases. Nah, but yo, shirts coming soon. Once they're out, we will, you know, let you guys know. Follow us on Twitter and our Facebook page, and we will keep you updated. You see me? Love or no?
Early to school, me no have time for late. Sit down in a exam, am I the great? Me no getting nothing less than 98. When school open, me never avoid the gate.